In this video, I'm going to show you the right way how to rotate your tires. So the first thing you're going to do is remove your lug nuts, use an impact, or you can use your old-fashioned tire iron, and then you're going to take the tires off and rotate them to the right position. Seems simple, right? But how do you know where to rotate them? Follow along and I will show you. In the meantime, hit the subscribe button in the lower right hand corner. So when determining how to rotate your tires, you're going to look at two different things. The first thing is if your vehicle is front wheel drive, all wheel drive, or four-wheel drive. Next, you're going to look at the type of tire you have on your vehicle. So if your vehicle is equipped with directional tires, you only have one option on how to rotate them. You will have to keep the tires on the same side of the vehicle that they come off, or else they'll be rotating in the wrong direction. And most of the time on the sidewall of the tire, you will see a directional marker, and most directional tires are either snow or summer tires. You can also tell they're directional tires because of the V pattern. Then you have asymmetric tires and symmetric tires. Asymmetric tires will usually be labeled on the inside and outside as inside and outside, meaning when they're mounted properly, the inside will be towards the inner part of the rim that goes towards the middle of the vehicle, and the outside will be showing. And a symmetric tire is the same on both sides, and doesn't matter which way it's mounted. So to recap, directional tires will stay on the same side. Left tires will stay on the left side, right tires will stay on the right side. Now for the second rotation, most manufacturers recommend rotating it this way with an all-wheel drive vehicle. This is what I call flip-flop, because your tires truly don't rotate. They just flip-flop from one corner to the other and then back again. I do not recommend rotating tires this way, ever. With directional tires, you have no option. You have to rotate them as a flip-flop unless you dismount them and remount them. Now the third and fourth way how to rotate tires is what I call a true rotation, because as you see here with this blue dot on the driver rear tire, when you rotate it, it's going to go to the front passenger side, and then on the next rotation, it's just going to go back to the back driver side. It'll never be in the front driver side or the rear passenger side. Unlike with the front wheel drive vehicle, when your front driver side tire gets rotated to the back driver side, then on the next time it'll rotate to the front passenger and then to the back passenger, and then it'll rotate back around to the front driver side, which means it'll be on all four corners of the vehicle throughout the rotation. So with the third diagram, we're going to rotate all front wheel drive vehicles like this, as long as they don't have directional tires. In the fourth diagram, all vehicles that are either rear-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, or all-wheel drive will be rotated like this. So with front-wheel drive vehicles, the front tires will be rotated straight back, and the rear tires will be crisscrossed to the front. And then with all-wheel drive vehicles, rear-wheel drive vehicles, and four-wheel drive vehicles, the rear tires will be rotated straight forward, and the front tires will be crisscrossed to the back. So now that you know how to rotate your tires, here are some helpful tips that will help you along the way. When you have your wheels off, always clean the surface between the rotor and the wheel where it mates up. This will keep your lug nuts from loosening up over time. Use a wire brush to clean off the rust, corrosion, or dirt. If you have any of this in between there, over time it will fall out, and then your lug nuts will loosen up. Then always air your tires up to the recommended PSI. You will find this inside the driver's door, either on the door itself or in the door sill. And then check to see what the recommended torque specs are for the lug nuts and torque them to the right specs. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to get more short and to the point how-to videos like this that saves you time so you can get more done.